All right, what's up, YouTube? So it's official. We got our first order on our website. The website is up, edgacoustics.com. We got our first order. He ordered 2 star clouds, 2 fiber optic star clouds. We about to send it out right now. So we already wrapped it up, put it in the box. We about to head to the shipping center right now and then go send it off. You know, and inform them. It's gonna text them every time. You know, any updates. Text them and let them know when it's arriving. So yeah, let's go ahead and ship it out.
Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash and you're not involved, I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga Ryan, and I got it all. Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash and you're not involved, I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga Ryan, and I got it all.
Shipping spot. We out here in Northridge, California at the shipping spot, the box stop. We already got the panels wrapped up. They in the box. He's just waiting on us to pay him and ship it out. And then once we do that, we talk to the customer. Here.
Guys.
Hey, what's up? How you doing, man?
Very good, thank you.
He helped us out before. We're gonna ship that box out.
Okay.
The 2x4.
Okay.
5.5.
You have the box in the back?
Yes, I think that's it right there.
Oh.
No, I have it over here.
What is the address for this one? Oh, actually, I got it right there. Order is 3822.
That name?
Yeah.
No,
What's They sending this order to Maryland. So Maryland, you know, it's a long way away, but you know, we get it done at EDG, you know. So we shipping this to the Grammy room. They found us on Instagram. They hit us, they liked our work, they liked our panels. You know, we got the, you know, the cool star clouds, and when they saw it, they just wanted to order. Yeah. So, you know, they gonna be happy with their order, man, you know.
I have your information just in case coming back to us, we can contact you.
Yes, sir.
Please, thank you. Here in the office.
Can I put the label on?
You say?
Can I put the label on? Can I put it on the box?
You feel like?
Yeah, it's our first online order.
Okay.
You know, we just want to, make it right. We got a YouTube company too, so we want to film everything.
Oh, I see. That's why he was getting the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna be on YouTube.
All right. Okay.
Hey,
Let's become famous.
Say your company, man, because we always gonna come here now.
Thank you. Yes. Box Top is the place.
EDG, man, it's our first order. 2 star clouds going out, going all the way to Maryland. Get there in a week. We're doing it right. Thank you, man.
All right. So I got you here. This is a copy of the label. There's a tracking number for you.
Okay.
And the total with the box is $149.78. It would be nice if that guy has some money, right?
The first, more is coming.
Oh,
First of too many, right?
First of many.
Yeah.
It's just online, though. We do, in person all the time.
All the time. Okay. And we all set. So this we'll pick it up today around 4 o'clock. And this is scheduled for Wednesday delivery next week.
Perfect.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So, we got the first order, the Grammy Room LLC, all the way out there in Maryland. It's EDG, we in Norfolk. We just sent it off. It'll get there in a week. It's cool, man.